Yo, 𝐦𝐨𝐽𝐿 over here, and if you are looking for luxury, class and power, this BMW M6 is for you. Lowest depreciation in the market, super low mileage and super good condition as well. Let's check it out. Have a look at this magnificent beauty. 552 horsepower, 680 Newton meters of torque, doing 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in only 4.3 seconds. I'm absolutely in love with this stunning design. Just look at how beautiful the silhouette of this car is. Massive brake kit in front in 20-inch sport rims, very beautiful. Massive brake kit behind as well. Just have a look at this car, beautiful from every angle. Powered by a V8 engine that is turbocharged and producing very beautifully sounding symphony from this quad exhaust. Also have a notice how shiny this car is. The body is in absolutely perfect condition, engine is fully stock, and all the wear and tear have been replaced. Also over here we've got carbon fiber rooftop. How nice! Comes with a bunch of luxury features, of course, keyless entry, keyless start, and doors even got soft close. This car also is equipped with rear seats, which are surprisingly very comfortable because they are very deep set. And now let's go in. All right, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Absolutely beautiful, spacious and luxurious cabin. Guys, have a look. All this is carbon fiber, it's everywhere. All this is leather. Very nice, very beautifully stitched as well. We have very beautiful M Sport steering wheel with pedal shifters, multifunctional, of course, very beautiful speedometer cluster, and this is an M6. So here you can see you can have different settings for your engine, Sport, Sport Plus, Efficient, different settings for your suspension, and even different settings for your steering. How cool is that? Equipped with B&O sound system. By the way, guys, this thing is very cool. It will pop up when you start your engine. Very nice. Massive infotainment screen. This car comes equipped with a lot of cameras. We have front view camera, we have reverse camera, you see 360. Also we got your conventional reverse camera, etc. Look, have a look at these seats. Leather, very nice, very comfortably. M logo is embossed here, and they're very heavily bolstered to keep you comfy when you're taking corners at legal speeds. And of course, black color roof lining. Alright guys, driving this car is an absolute pleasure. This is such a gentlemanly ride. At low revs, the sound is soft yet with plenty of bass until you put your foot down and you unleash the true power of V8. On COE, we still got 8 years left. Plenty of time for you to enjoy this beautiful beast. Lowest depreciation on the market at only 22,000 plus. Super low mileage and super good condition as well. Absolutely the best M6 you could get right now. You all know what to do. Call me and I'll give you a good deal.